Now this time, let's talk about the three control structures. The three control structures that start with the sequence. So as the name implies, so meaning to say, the structure will be in order or is in sequence. So it's just following the IPO sequence. Input, process, output. So simple as that. If you are going to draw a flow chart out of this, let's say you have the begin or the starting part of your flow chart and then followed by the input. So whatever is the input will be placed inside the parallelogram. And then whatever is the process, or usually you put here the formula, what is being processed, what is being computed. Then that is represented by this symbol, rectangle, and whatever is the output will be placed with this parallelogram for the output. And then that will be the end of your flow chart. Okay, if you are doing programming and then you are programming, so therefore that's the end of your program. So let us make an example. Okay, with this sequence control structure. So example, you are asked to solve for the area of a rectangle. And then the area of a rectangle will give you the formula length times the width. Okay, so let's make use of these variables for the area, A, L for the length, and W for the width. So what are now your inputs? Okay, your input will be the length and then the width. And then after that, that will be processed. We are going to get now the formula, or we're going to place here the formula in getting or solving the area of a circle. So area is length times width. After that, once it's computed, it will now be displayed as your output. And then our output is A for the area. Okay, so for example, let's say length is equal to 2, and then you have a width of 3, so your area will become now 6. So if this will be, for example, let us do the simulation. So length is 2, width is 3, so we multiply the 2, so 2 times 3, then therefore your area is 6. So that's how the sequence is being done in the control structures. Now in programming, this is just simple as dealing with the input statement and then the output statement. And then usually whatever is in the process between them, that is basically are only the formulas that you will be using in order for you to compute or solve what is being asked from the problem.